This video is License Manager for Uinta. In this video, we will cover how to assign and customize licenses, how to purchase additional licenses, and go over admin settings. I am at junipersys.com or junipersys.com. If you click on the Products tab and go to the Software column and find Uinta, it'll bring us to our Uinta page. And if we scroll down just a little bit, we will see the My Account button. Let's go ahead and select that. It's now going to direct me to the login page for License Manager. Let's go ahead and sign in. Once we are logged in, we are going to see several things. Let's first focus on our licenses. We can see that we have a 1-year subscription. We have 3 licenses. 1 has already been assigned. This license was assigned based off of whoever redeemed and activated or purchased Uinta. We'll also notice that we can assign additional licenses as needed. So if I wanted to assign one, I'd go ahead and select the Assign button. Let's go and type in an email and assign the license. And now we can see that that license has been assigned. And we can see that we have now consumed that additional slot. So now we have 2 of 3 licenses assigned. We can also see over here that this new license has not activated any of the devices. We can see our total devices that we have. Based off of our 3 licenses, we would get 6 devices total. Each license of Uinta gives you 2 new devices that can use the software simultaneously. We can see here that this email has activated or logged in onto 1 device. If we go ahead and click here, we can see which device has logged in with the login information for that license. We'll also now see a release button and a reserve button since we have clicked on the fraction button right here. If we wanted to assign an additional device to this license, we could hit the reserve. We will now notice it went up to 5 from 6. And if we wanted to reserve that last device, we could do that. And once we do that, you'll notice that the Assign button just got grayed out, letting us know that we can no longer assign an additional license because we have used or consumed all of those devices as we assigned it to the license here. Now we could release one here, and since we do have 1 device available, we could assign a new license with only 1 device that it could log into. If we wanted to revoke any devices or remove devices that have been logged in, we can do so by clicking on the X here, and it'll allow us to deactivate that device. Also, if we wanted to add additional licenses by purchasing more, we can go to click on this Change License Quantity, or we can come up to More, add in some billing information if we have not already, and go to Change License Quantity here. Now, if you purchased originally through one of our dealers or Juniper Systems dealers, we'd recommend that you purchase again through them. Now, if we come back to this More button, you can also set up renewal options. So if you want to set up auto-renewal, but again, if you purchased through a dealer, we'd recommend that you would renew or purchase your additional licenses through one of our Juniper Systems dealers. We also have a quick start guide that you can go to at any time if you need some assistance in installing Uinta on any OS or logging into Uinta, or even if you need some assistance with some training materials. Now finally, we're going to go over to this admin tab here at the left. And if we select that, we can see who the admin of this subscription is. Only the administrator of a subscription or an organization can assign licenses and revoke them. You can have as many license admins as you'd like. So let's go ahead and add one. We're just going to add that same email. Select Next. And it's just going to verify if we really want this user to be an admin. I'm going to hit yes. And now it's going to actually jump me back to our licenses. So let's go back to the admin slot. And just know whoever is an admin does not have to have a license assigned to them. This primary admin as well is going to be the person that would receive any notifications like for renewals. So you may want to get an admin set up for your accounting department, but you don't have to. If you had set up the account and you do want to get an admin person swapped over to this, let's say this Juniper 84325 email, we want to make them the primary admin so they get those notifications, we can click on this button here and promote them to the primary admin. That would finish off our video for License Manager. If you have any questions, please reach out to your partner you purchased through or Juniper Systems, as we would be happy to assist.